All right, so I want to start with um, the mean. Problem solving with rational numbers, graph mean 0, 0, 1. So here is, no, this isn't what I want. I want to do one with the mean. I'm going to do problem 0, 2, maybe. I'm just going to go through one problem because I want to talk through it. And I don't want these videos to be long. That last one was too long for my liking. So it'll be quick. Just pay close attention and you'll be good. Read, read, read. So we're going to go straight to a problem. The graph illustrates the temperature readings during an especially cold Thanksgiving holiday. The readings for 5 days are shown. Use the graph illustrating the temperature readings during the holiday to complete each statement. Okay, so it looks like 0 is, well, let me just start. This is our x axis going across the bottom. It tells us the time, right? And that time is measured in days. So we have from 0 to 10. Excuse me. And then we have on the left temperature measured in degrees Fahrenheit. So we go from -10 up to +10 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. And so the readings for 5 days are shown here and what the temperature was like. So it looks like on day one, the temperature was -3 degrees. On day two, it was 7 degrees. On day three, it was -4 degrees. On day four, my goodness, it was -9. And then on day five, it was 10 degrees. Talk about fluctuating temperatures, right? The mean temperature during the holiday is represented by this expression. So this isn't really different from what we've done. The only thing you need to think about is it is talking about the temperature. So it's going to be -3 to 7 plus 7, -4, -9 plus 10. And then how many data points do we have? One, two, three, four, five. So once we combine all of these, which is why we use the addition operator in between each one, we have to divide it by five because there are five pieces of data there. Okay. So that's going to be our correct solution. The mean temperature during the holiday is represented by this value. Remember what I told you earlier? You do not have to do the math on this. And something that is very cool about combining all of these and then dividing them by five is that I can kind of set it up like a fraction. So I'm just going to, instead of writing a plus sign or addition operator in between everything, I'm just going to write the number with its signage. And that is going to let me know that I'm combining. So I have -3, right? I have a +7, -4. Uh-oh. -4. Then I have a -9. And I have a +10. Okay, so I am using the sign of the integer, which would tell me if I just put this on a number line, I'd go from 0 to -3, and then I'd go +7, right, coming back to the right, and then -4 coming back to the left, -9 going further to the left, then +10. And underneath all of that, when I get all of that taken care of, I'm just going to divide it by 5. So I'll put my 5 down here. All right, so if you need to pause, pause. And then I should be able to press enter and it gives me my answer. So it's very important that you know how to do these things instead of writing down wrong answers throughout the thing if you get a little confused, okay? The mean temperature during the holiday, is this value going to be negative or positive? Positive. How do I know that? The average temperature is above 0 degrees. There were more days above zero. No, there weren't more days. The average temperature is below. So it's going to be above, because a mean is basically your average, right? You add up all the points and divide it by the number of points there were in that set. Okay? That's how you do it. So I'm going to stop this video here because I don't want it to be super long. I'll make you a totally different video for the next type of problem.